Okay, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in this one we're going to talk about some of these tools up in the toolbar. We've got the selection tool, the hand tool, and the zoom tool. Those are the three that we're going to be covering in this video. In order for me to show you those, we'll need to add something here to the composition. So what I want to do first is make sure I'm down here in the timeline, and I'm going to color this different color on the back so we can add some text. And I'm going to go up to composition settings, and I'm going to click background color, and we'll change that to, let's just say, a really dark blue. And you can see that it's a live preview in the back. So we'll click OK, then we'll click OK, and then I'm going to click down here and go up to my type tool. You can also do this by using Control T, not quite like Photoshop, but that's a shortcut. Now I've got this down here at the bottom so you can see exactly what keys I'm pressing in order to use those for a shortcut. So we're going to type out tools and Control Enter, and then our selection tool is V, so we're going to use that to move this over to the canvas, to the center. Now we can click on these tools if we'd like to select them, or we can use the keyboard shortcut, which is right next to the title of the tool. So remember, we use this align layer. If we click that, we can center that to the center of the canvas. So let's go to our hand tool or hit H, and we can move around the canvas if we'd like. This is helpful if we're on one side of the screen and we're zoomed in and we need to move that. It's very helpful. And we've also got the zoom button. We can also get to that by pressing Z and clicking in. If we hold the Alt key, that'll allow us to zoom out. So V will get us to the selection, allows us to move that around the canvas. And then we can also use the hand tool to move around and the zoom tool to zoom in, hold Alt to zoom out. In the next video, we're going to be going over rotation and anchor point, and this will be something that will be a little bit more exciting than the things we've been doing.